Libby is a great resource for reading digital magazines. This newest feature of the Libby app allows you to borrow issues from over 2,800 titles for free. You can also borrow from the large catalog of back issues to read on your desktop or mobile device. First, download the Libby app from your App Store or open libbyapp.com in your browser. When you open the app, you will be prompted to search for your library. Enter your library card number and PIN to access your Pinnacle account. Once you've linked your library card to your account, you will be able to browse and check out over 2,800 magazine titles. Just click on the magazine guide. Look through our curated list of popular magazines, or search all of the titles. You can filter the results by using the Preferences and Refine tabs. Search for specific titles using the search bar. Once you've found the series you want, the most current issue will display with the description and cover information. Read a sample before checking out, or tag the series to be notified of future issues. If you want to borrow a back issue of the magazine, just scroll down to see past publications. When you're ready to read, click Borrow and Open Magazine. Libby has a built-in reader that makes reading on desktop or mobile a seamless experience. Scroll through the pages, or click and drag to flip to the next page. Use the Article button to enter a text-based window for easier reading. Or use the zoom function to pan over the images on the page so you don't miss a single detail. Font and theme settings can be adjusted for accessible reading. You can also bookmark your favorite pages to come back to later. Dive into a new magazine today with Libby and happy reading.